Hey, it's a great afternoon, and if you're watching this, you already know that YouTube is using an AI audio dub feature to write over your wonderful videos. So this episode, I'm going to show you an example how to fix it in the short term and how to fix it in the long term. So let's get started on YouTube. Now, starting from your home page, let's find the video that's the culprit. Click on your videos. Up here, let's search for the video that's giving me problems. This one right here. It's called Rosemond Drive-Through Documentary. Now this here is the original video. Let's watch it.
All right, now we're in Rosemond, California, Antelope Valley. Gateway to Progress. Let's take a look. Good morning. So today we're in Rosemond, California. I'm at the famous Dollar Tree here. And I'll tell you about the town as we drive through it. So we're located in the...
So that's what it's supposed to sound like originally. Now YouTube did the audio dub. Here's what it sounds like today.
All right, now we're in Rosemont, California, Antelope Valley, Gateway to Progress. Let's take a look. Good morning. So today we're in Rosemont, California. I'm at the famous Dollar Tree here, and I'll tell you about the town as we drive through it.
Okay, that's absolutely horrible. Oh my goodness. So you're kind of out of luck here. Sounds pretty bad. Go back to your original channel here, your videos, filter for titles. We'll look up Rosemond, apply. Here's all my videos. This one right here, Rosemond. Well, sadly, you need to download it and re-upload it and start over again. And it throws away all of your comments and your likes and subscribes and messes up the algorithm. So you click on download, it shows up here as a download right here, and there you go. You just reload that file. The next thing we do is go to settings here. We're going to turn off this feature altogether. Settings, and then channel. Basic information, go to advanced settings, scroll down advanced settings, and you'll see this feature called audio dubbing. Allow audio dubbing. If you click that, which is the automatic default now for YouTube, you have to go back and unclick it. It'll ask you if you want to manually review dubs, and then it gives you this information. So what you want to do is turn off this entire feature, just like that. It'll stop doing audio dubbing. Close it, and then you're all set, and hopefully it doesn't do it again. The problem with all of your videos is you don't know which ones have already been tweaked. We have all these beautiful videos here.
Ready, go.
See, this one's a good one.
1, 2,
All right.
3,
Isn't that
4,
fantastic?
5,
Okay,
6.
so, hey,
All perfect.
thanks for watching. Hopefully you can fix your videos without any problem. Have a great day. Bye.
2,